Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Food Thursdays. It is CJ, and as you can see as the title of the video, we are making a very simple guacamole today. Usually I'd make this with onions, but I think I might be out of onions today. So we're just going to be using some garlic. I'm doing 2 cloves of garlic. I just love garlic. Use 1 clove if, it's too powerful for you. I'm going to use a little bit of juice from a lime, a little bit of salt, and some avocado. The avocado is a little brown. I had some of this for breakfast this morning, but it's still fine. I kept it in the fridge, covered. So, anyways, let's start off with the garlic. Oh, and if you're a minor, we're using a knife here, so get a trusted adult to supervise and make sure you don't cut yourself. So, as you can see on the garlic here, that the little flaky part, name escapes me right now, still on. So just put your knife over, smash it down, peels right off, just like that. Okay, and do that for the other clove. See? Just peels right off. Alright, going to toss this quick. Oh, and make sure to wash your hands before you start. You can use your knuckle as a guide, and it helps prevent you from cutting yourself. Doesn't mean it won't, you won't cut yourself, but at the same time it does help out a bit. So just start chopping up your garlic. I love garlic. You guys love garlic? Might readjust the camera a little bit. Okay, that's better. Oh, almost hit my finger. Just be very careful with the knife's edge. And yeah, like I said, I'd usually add onion, but I think I might be out of onion right now, which kind of sucks. Because I love onions, garlic, I love all of that. Which, as you can see, garlic is chopped. Can add that into our avocado. And we can set aside our board and our knife for now. Alright, that'll be added last. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. And add it to taste too. And then with your fork, you're just going to take it and start mashing your avocado. Very simple. Very delicious. Add salt to taste. And you can stir it up a little bit too. We'll add just a titch more salt. And then stir that in. It's a lot better when you have onions. Now you can use either a lemon or a lime. I'm using a lime right here. And I'm going to go into the drawer. And I forgot to grab something earlier. Where'd it go? There it is. Always a good idea to have one of these on hand. Okay, so bring our board back. And our lime. Be very careful and cut it in half. I love limes. Alright. So you can either squeeze some juice in, but I got this little tool here, and that helps. Then you can just use some like handy wrap to wrap up the rest of your lime and save it for later. Alrighty. Then with our guacamole, I'm going to stir in the lime juice. Very, very delicious. Right, and that is a simple guacamole. I'm going to grab some chips here and see how this tastes. Okay, that looks absolutely delicious. Oh, that's good. That is amazingly good. So, yeah, very simple recipe. And if you have your own guacamole recipe or you add a lot more stuff, you know, leave it in the comments. Share your recipe. Let other people know how you make your own guac. And hope you enjoyed this video and stay creative.